Okay, the James is now running. The problem this car is no crank, no start, no indicator limit here in the meter, no shifting gearbox. Code B1327, B1372. Okay, now I'm going to test drive this car. The shifting gear also is good. Nice problem. Okay, all is good. Just tire pressure. Yeah. I don't know. I think that is tire pressure, and the indicator. What's calling this indicator? The gear is have there. Okay, it's okay. Try to do one more test, and it's working inside. And go to the gear pin and off the engine and try to start again. Okay, it's easy to start, but the engine light is not. I cannot see it there. See, the check engine light is not easy to start. Code B1372. The problem is the gearbox. So, shifter. The gearbox. Wiring problem. Okay, now I'm back to the shop, and I'm Scanmar and programming the gearbox, because we already changed the gearbox. I just want to go to another shop, change the gearbox with the computer gearbox, and after I change the gearbox, I cannot start, and I cannot crank the car. Now I'm going back to the shop to programming the AC gearbox. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum.